Are you a BSc or a BCS student graduating in a 2024 or a 25? Dreaming of a career in IT with one of India's biggest tech giants? Then TCS BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring is your golden ticket to turn that dream into reality. So TCS is inviting applications from a graduates of a BCA, BSc and BOC through their exclusive Ignite and Smart Hiring program. This is a unique opportunity for a science graduates to kickstart a full-fledged IT career without needing an engineering degree. TCS Ignite is a science to software program designed for students who show exceptional skills in the selection process. Here's what makes it special. A world-class initial learning program tailored for science grads. And get trained in a cutting-edge technologies like AI, blockchain, cloud, robotics, and etc. And within just 1 to 2 years, your salary could grow up to 2.5x based on your performance. And quality of work and career growth well matched with the engineering graduate. And you can even pursue postgraduate programs from top Indian universities where your TCS training counts for 50% of your credits. Basically, you get the career growth of an engineer with the mindset and a background of a scientist. This program is all about building well-rounded IT professionals with focus on techno-functional roles across various domains, working on projects in engineering, QA, data analytics, and more, and developing technical skills, domain knowledge, and soft skills through a structured training program. This path is ideal for students who are curious, analytical, and team players. And this is the application process. So I'll provide the link in the description. Go to the TCS Next Step portal. From here you can access it. Update your Aadhaar based detail carefully. If you're already registered, just log in and apply for the drive. Or if you are a new user, click register now, choose IT and complete the form. And choose your test mode as in center and select your preferred test center. Then track your application status. It should say applied for drive. So seats are allotted on the first come first served basis. So apply early to get your preferred test center. And also read all the information carefully. For any assistance, they have given the email ID and helpline number. And this will be the test pattern. So the test is, you are in a center assessment with these 4 sections: numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, and coding. This is optional, but a great chance to shine. So registration ends on 11th May 2025. So don't wait till the last minute. And then eligibility criteria. Here's what makes you eligible. Minimum 50% marks in 10th, 12th and graduation. And no backlogs at the time of applying. Education gap should be less than 24 months. Only full-time courses accepted. Then age must be between 18 to 28 years. If you have a prior work experience, mention it with the documents. See, any false or incorrect information can lead to disqualification at any stage. So if you are passionate about technology and ready to build a thriving IT career, even without an engineering degree, TCS BSc Ignite and Smart Hiring is made just for you. Don't miss this chance to learn, grow, and be part of India's top tech company. Hit that register button on the TCS Next portal now and unlock your future in IT. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career updates. See you in the next video.